So what's up guys, Xenogate here, back with another video. In this video I'll be reviewing the PLEXTONE XMOWI RX1 gaming earphone. The key feature of the earphone is that it comes with two microphones, which is quite unique for a gaming earphone coming at this price point. The price of the earphone is less than $10 and in Bangladeshi Taka it costs about 750 Taka. Now a huge thanks to PLEXTONE for sending me this earphone. Now anyway, without wasting any more time, let's get right into the review. Let's start with talking about all the items that you are gonna get inside the box. So first of all, in the box you are gonna get the earphone itself, then the detachable microphone, a user manual guide. I have no idea why you will need a user manual guide, a warranty card. Yes, the earphone comes with 1 year warranty, some extra earbuds and a clip. And also thanks to PLEXTONE for adding these finger slips in the box. Now let's talk about the design and build quality. The looks of the earphone is actually really good. The first time I saw the earphone, I was absolutely amazed by the design. But however, the earphone is a little bigger than all the other earphones that you're gonna get in the market. But I don't think that would be a big problem. But I do have to say the earphone has an eye-catching design. Talking about build quality, the earphone is mostly made of plastic and the cable is a flat rubber cable, which is actually a little better than traditional rubber cables. These huge parts of the earphone are actually made of plastic and they are not heavy at all. Yeah, the first time I saw them I thought they are gonna be heavy, but they are actually really not heavy at all and they are actually really quite light, but they do feel kinda hollow though. Now I definitely have to admit the design of the earphone is really good looking and eye-catching, but I think that's about it. Cause the earphone is a little too big for my liking and you need to use this ear support buds to support the earphone properly on your ear. And to be honest, I'm really not a big fan of using these buds cause they feel kinda annoying to me, but I don't think that's a huge issue for most people. It's just me, I think. To be honest, I think this earphone is more of a you sit down, play games for a couple of hours or listen to music or do some media consumption, whatever it is, and then take it off, keep it in your drawer and do it again. And I don't think it's actually suitable for using while traveling. But however, that does not mean you cannot do it at all and the earphone isn't gonna fall off your ears anytime soon. I just think they are not that convenient for traveling or uses like that. Now the voice splitter here has a controller for the earphone. There's a volume slider here which works alright. Now I'm really not a big fan of sliders, I think buttons are better, but there's also a multifunctional button which works for mobile only. Oh, and also there's the microphone here. Now this is the inbuilt microphone of the earphone. The quality is actually quite good. You're gonna see it later in the video. Oh, and talking about microphone, let's talk about the detachable microphone. I think this is the coolest looking piece in the earphone. The detachable microphone quality is actually really good. I mean the build quality of it is quite good. The microphone can be connected to the dedicated slot just like that. The 3.5mm jack has a L-shaped connector which I'm a really big fan of. Now let's talk about the sound quality. The sound quality of it is actually quite good. Now the earphone is more focused on clarity as it's a gaming earphone and not actually a bass heavy earphone. I played games like Mobile Legends, PUBG Mobile with this earphone. The directional audio was actually quite okay and the sound effects were quite good as well. Now as I said earlier that it's not a bass heavy earphone, but however the music listening experience with the earphone was actually quite good and I was not disappointed with the sound quality at all. And coming at a price like this, I think the sound quality is actually really good. Now let's talk about the microphone quality. Now I use the microphone while talking with my friend while playing games and he told me that it's actually better than the inbuilt microphone of my phone. Now I'm gonna let you guys be the judge of the microphone quality. I'm gonna do a microphone test for the both inbuilt one and the detachable one and you guys can decide for yourself. Hey, what's up guys? Currently you guys can hear me through the inbuilt microphone of the earphone and the microphone quality is actually quite good. But I'll let you guys be the judge of the microphone quality. So what's up guys, currently you guys can hear me through the detachable microphone of the earphone. The microphone quality is actually quite good, but it comes out a little too loud, but however while playing games the microphone quality is actually quite good. But I'll let you guys be the judge of that. Now if I have to rate the earphone out of 10, I would give it a solid 7.5 out of 10. I think the earphone is quite value for money. Now if you're looking for a earphone that sounds good and has a good microphone quality at a really cheap price, I think you can consider buying this earphone. The reason I deducted some points is because of the build quality and design. Now I'm really not a big fan of the design or the build quality of this earphone as I've said earlier, but I think that's a little personal opinion and you guys might like it. So well, I think this was it for today and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.